야, 다 정말로 메리 크리스마스. 다 데려가. 런던 치로. 다 사자 단다디. 단다가에서 사자디 니가 하고 마소 가이스나. 니 내가 저서 매니저기 대치에서 사자디 두스타드로 할로다 비숍기 트리도 인서제. 단다가 데라 가르친데 있나. 오, 크리스마스 파티 당할래 봐. 얘 내가 진짜 컴퍼니로 아니 다니로 크리스마스 파티를 쇼라서 드럼에 더녀서 나 달로 인지미지 용나 야고도 돌랍서 매니저 가이스나 먼저 내가 지로 컴퍼니 지고 제 아니양도 파도 통문이 먹고요 봐. 대체 예민하고 제 아니야 통문이 먹고요. 어딘데 지금 뭐를 지금 하고요. 레스토랑입니다. 달래셔니 저도 드려요고도 아니가 될 단다데 크리스마스 파티 될래데 아니 파티다 주주 그만 스타트 레사 안체 치고버더래도 아니 매니저가 대바도 계속 계제다가 이게 등게 호텔을 체크인 체선 봐 안타라 호텔 나로고라 파티다 레샤니 파티 사수나 다가라 토갈 룸 요르와 아디나로라 스위밍풀 제 짐다 사마두라 컨트리사이드 호텔 닝주도 나 호텔 돌라라 빌딩도 집부로 조서 인데 마르샤 하우스도 집부도 컨트리사이드 호텔 하고라 타망제 근데 오버저 코란라 이슈라 가지도 다들 잘 당부도 저다 런던은 크리스마스 기 파티도 크리스마스 파티 인진형도 당부도 저래 다 간데 저준다 건다 년도 세트는 년도 세트 치데 크리스마스 파티 당사 디나롤 간다도 미스 소관진데도 이 나무 참 찾아진 샤도와 이게 저 록 찾는 있어요. 근데 먼저 크리스마스 파티 당사 디나 오르샤 시다 사마 테이블 din 샤도 아니 먼저기 룸디 강들에 바리 당사 디나로 또 룸디 나올 줄도 다 창동 안에 다른 거 중에 드라이브 중에 좀 먹었지 거다 호텔 니아르도 말이 런던 치료는 디송사 안에 군저기 룸라샤 아니 룸들도 이야 룸 TV도 이 드라이브도 아치로 어디스도 상지 좋아 오케이 당하도는 버들링 봐 내가 미직이 자두된 데서 다다 콜로 미직이 다 스트레스라 다스 박션 나도르셔라 하게 박션 나도 디디 나노로
click. So don't say anything. So I think your card was either the Jack of Diamonds, the King of Spades, the Five of Spades, the Ten of Clubs, or the Five of Clubs. One of those 5 cards? One of those?
One of them, definitely.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. Hold them between your fingers, done. I don't know what your card is, I don't know where it is, but I ain't going to make it invisible. Now that I made it invisible, I can just take it out. Is that your card?
No.
That's the back one, too.
Yeah.
Oh, it is? Plug it in there for safekeeping. Count those 5 cards on my hand one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's your card being? Jack of Diamonds? No. The King of Spades.
It was.
The one with green. It's invisible. Unless I make it visible. If I make it visible, then you should see one card. The King of Spades, right in the middle.
Very good.
أنا ميمان جلي جورش هذا منذ خلاص صار جورش تانغا تيسات كوارش لغة table number 1 ركا شو كنا مين تيشا تانغا تيسات مين تيتو لوبسام لنتيدا ये मैनेजर थे तो शाह अगर कोई मंज़िला जादू दे सर है तो दी पार्टी तंग से शरा हो दी चुप दिन बा गोंदा चन यूज़ इंजर गोंदा टुगेदर क्रिसमस की लोग शो कर शे 저 파티 당사도 돼요. 아니 내내 바리 당 호텔 피겨다. 뭐 피겨 룸 입어 들어서 강변에 룸 입어. 다 군저 창동에서 창하고 동구도. 이놈 창동에서 창동대다. 아니 다들 이제 쉬어서 되어서 창 격제 동에 있나 될도 다 군저데 company 다 가제 동도르다 company 베시티고라 난 창동어 말하데 오렌지 주스 동데 자 두주 내가 제설로 미드도 톡 되고라 내가 이게 컨스트럭션도 들어 변도고라 나든 내가 제로 창마 두주는 먼저 컨스트럭션 돌로 세우디 장고도 견디고라 다 돌로디 뭐 근처에 돌로 규모 견이 있는데 됐 라우상 원싱이면도다 갈래마도 원싱이면도 뒤에 수능 냠도 딱봐 제대인데도 하고 그러와 딱원 냠도 제대인데도 내가 하고 그러와 다 참참처럼 그냥 사제 선발 파도 소도 소유지도 모두 미 라우상 원싱이면도 갈래마도 원싱이면도 델타 chen 너무 테이블 잡고 이거 좀 되게 난 너무 돼가지고도 참아 돼서 대리죠 능여로 건서 대갈래마 능이 롭송이 주지 살라드 렘티도 이 칼라 살라드 렘가 봐 가서 니마 누라직스 건 매니저 칼라도 계지치 그런 자도 동이라셔 너무 시스템도 먼저 잡을 때 manager check the red, check good.
5 of diamonds, 5 of clubs, 5 of spades. Can't shuffle them because they're riveted. But if I turn the bottom black 5 to the bottom and the other black 5 to the bottom. Complete the circuit, that's when they're shuffled black, red, black, red. That's a bit confusing face down, let's do it face up. So red 5 of hearts, black 5 of clubs, leaves the 5 of spades and the 5 of diamonds at the top, complete the circuit. And we're back to how we started with 2 red 5s and 2 black 5s. Very important. Before a magician shows you a card trick,
그 트래블 선물로 자비든 거다. 하고
it's also
자비든
really
거.
important to get totally free choice of any card. Anyone. Look at it, place look at it, show the whole table down into it.
개버사바.
Okay? I'm going to shuffle the cards, tell me when to stop shuffling.
개버사바라샤.
Lost in the pack, but it is very easy to find your card. The reason why it's easy to find your card is these cards already used to be in hand of play. Look, half a turn you'll see one card, and one card only is slightly different on the back. Now it's slightly different because it's in touch with someone who's not there, and there it is. Now of course that would only be impressive if that really was your card. Can you remember your card? Was it the 8 of diamonds? That was lovely. 8 of diamonds down there underneath that glass there. Tell me when you stop. Take the card. Tell everybody else that it's here. Put up. Anywhere you like in the back. Your card's lost in the back, but again, half a turn you see one card. And one card only is now red on the back. Now it's red on the back because we've been touched with it. Sorry, I should have twisted the other one. So we're looking for a red back card. Can you see a red back card anywhere at all? No. What about the one on the glass?
Very good.
이게 와도 개버사바샤. 나도 미미 나거든.
Are you giving money? Spending it? That's what it's here for. 2 coins. I have a 50p and a 2p. And an empty one. So now if you had to choose, would you choose the £2 or the 50p? Silly question. Watch the 2 coins very, very closely, because what's going to happen next is going to happen very fast and will only happen once. Is that all right? Yeah. Watch the 2 coins. Any minute now. When the 50p vanishes and you're left with just £2.
다들 사과드리셔.
You have a look at the medium-sized piece? I'm so sorry, sir. You get the short piece. Story of my life. Make sure they don't stretch, don't shrink, don't go funny in, go funny in. Happy with that? Good. So last week I went to a magic club meeting and a friend of mine said if I give you a long piece of rope, a medium-sized piece of rope and a short piece of rope, is it possible to make all the ends level? I said, that's easy. He said, we'll do it. I said, all you need to do is fold the short piece of rope in half, the medium-sized piece of rope in half, and the long piece of rope in half, and all the ends are level. They weren't impressed either. So you take 3 in one hand, 3 in the other, and blow. Sometimes the little one will stretch. On a good evening it stretches quite well. On a perfect evening it will stretch all the way out, and of course you do end up with 1 medium-sized piece of rope, 2 medium-sized pieces of rope, and 3 medium-sized pieces.
Had the card trick.
So you had the long piece, you had the medium-sized piece, you had the short piece. Close back in my hand. Definitely make that.
Very good.
Are you sitting here?
No.
Are you sitting here?
No.
Is anybody sitting here?
I have no idea.
Have a shower.
They can come back, vanish.
Are you ever going to Jack of Spades? Okay. There might be another Jack of Spades in here, but just in case, write your name either down the top, across the top, or both, just face down.
Another trick, came back.
작 나도 그걸 밍 제수.
That's good.
Careful, that's a Bluetooth pen. That's really drawn the magic card is coming.
Stuart, can I call you Stuart? When can I call you? Stuart, would you agree there's only one Jack of Spades in the world with your name on it in the English right? So if we take the Jack of Spades, Stuart, and we put it somewhere near the middle, would you also agree that it's no longer on top? If we push that Jack of Spades in there and we do that move, you can see that move. That is the move that makes your Jack of Spades jump to the top. I'll do it again for you. Jack of Spades right in the middle there. You're watching really closely, aren't you? I can't do it, Stuart, when you're watching that closely. That's the Nine of Diamonds. But if you watch Nine of Diamonds, just a little rub, and sometimes with a little rub it will just turn into the Jack of Spades with your name. We take your Jack of Spades, Stuart, we put it somewhere near the bottom. I'll tell you what's wrong, there are too many cards for you to keep an eye on. You hold some of the cards. Your Jack of Spades goes in there, we do that move, did you see it jump to the top? Queen of Spades. Ooh, where's the Jack of Spades? Oh, no, wait a minute, this is the middle, you've got the top. Let me show you what's going on here, Stuart. So there's your Jack of Spades, one with your name on it, we'll turn it over, we'll slide it out, and you see that I'm not cheating in any way, shape or form, that's it. I'm going to open up this little packet in the middle, I'm going to put your Jack of Spades in there. In fact, do me a favour, you push it in for me. Sometimes it jumps too high, sorry about that. Can you shuffle a pack of cards? Yeah, I can't, that's why I'm giving someone else. Oh, Maverick. Oh, yeah, Maverick. Impressive. So how amazed would you be if your Jack of Spades was still on top? The one with your name on it? But it's not. I didn't stand a chance, did I? Jack of Spades with your name on it is... You just shuffle them well, mate. I didn't stand a chance. Is missing. What done with it? You got Richard? What? Not in there? What's gone wrong? Oh, I hate it when that happens. Doesn't matter. I've got the insurance policy with me in case it goes wrong. I carry that in my wallet. Just in case it goes wrong. Just undo the zip for me. Just reach in and take the insurance policy holder and just check that it is the right one, the one with your name on it, Stuart. Enjoy your evening. Thank you.
All very good.
I saw it, the card was popped. I didn't know how he got it. Fucking.
야, 나 그 먼저 테이블 자주 된 사. 그 테이블 정말 자주 된 사.
Thank you very much.